You could be breaking the law without even realizing it. These 5 everyday activities seem harmless, but in some states, they can actually get you fined, arrested, or even jailed. Let's break them down. And the last one is the most unexpected. If you record a phone call in a 2-party consent state without telling the other person, that's illegal wiretapping. You could face serious fines or even felony charges. Think using your neighbor's Wi-Fi is harmless. In some states, it's unauthorized access to a computer network and can be charged like cyber theft. So, yeah, it might seem harmless, but sharing your Netflix password, it's actually illegal in some places. In Tennessee, for example, it falls under the Unauthorized Use of Services Act. And streaming companies, they're really starting to crack down on it. Alright, this one's wild. In states like Colorado, rainwater isn't just falling from the sky for you to collect. Nope, it's considered public property, thanks to old water rights laws. You'll need a permit to collect it, or you could end up facing fines. Here's something you might not expect. In states like Georgia, wearing a mask in public, unless it's for medical reasons, is actually illegal. These laws were originally made to stop people from disguising themselves during crimes or protests. But yeah, they're still on the books. Crazy, right? I mean, which one of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe. Because next time, we're diving into what to do if you're falsely accused, step by step. You won't want to miss it.